Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the lock screen clock on your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. In Settings, tap on Lock Screen. Then tap on Clock Style from the right sidebar menu. You now have a few different clock faces to choose from, as well as any color you would like. You can also choose from some multicolored options. When you are happy with your clock, tap Done. Your lock screen clock has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.